Good afternoon. My name is Benjamin Strong. Today I'm going to tell you how to move stuff off your credit card if you have a late payment. This is the payment history guide of Experience. As you can see, you got okay, you got 30 days past due, 60 days past due, 90 days past due, 120 days past due, 150 days past due, and you got 180 days past due. This is the order of your payment history should be like. If you see anything different, is incorrect. I'm going to show you an example of a credit report that have an error. Now, you look at this credit report. Do you see anything wrong with this credit report? Do you notice anything missing on this credit report? Okay. As you can see, in 2013, starting with August, it said okay. September, it said 30 days late. October, it said 60 days late. Then in November, it said 120 days late. Well, according to the payment guide, it's supposed to go from 90 to 120 days late. So it skipped 90 days late. So automatic, these two is gonna be wrong. Also, ND stands for no data. 2015, no data. This is no data. So this is incomplete. You can also put that there if you want to. So if you have student loans, car repos, charge off, use the payment history to get the stuff deleted. I'm gonna show you an example of a simple letter you can just write to get it deleted. You could do a stamp, but I prefer to do a certified mail, put with a tracking number, run an Equifax, run a letter to correct inaccurate credit information to whom it may concern. I put a copy of my credit report and find company A payment history is inaccurate and incomplete. I request that you delete this item off my credit file and send me an updated copy of my credit report from Benjamin. Keep it simple and you should be able to do it. Keep in mind, it may take you one letter, it may take you two letters, it may take you three letters. But the point is that every time you get the result, send something back. This is just an example how to leak stuff on your credit report. Simple, easy.